Hello, I'm Jason, I'm the director of Searing Cookshop, and today we're going to be talking about that age-old and much debated question, how to cook the perfect steak. And the method, after much trial and error, that we've come up with as the best is dry brining. And dry brining, quite simply, is rubbing salt, about half a teaspoon, over the surface of the steak and leaving it overnight. That will do two things. It will flavour and tenderize the steak, but it will also draw the moisture of the surface out and create a kind of crust, and that will give you two benefits. Firstly, it will lock the juices into the steak, and secondly, that crust will produce an amazing level of caramelization when it comes to cooking the steak. So that's what we're going to do now, and I hope you give it a go and you're as impressed as we were.